Today is a DIY project day, so we're going to do a plant stand. So I pick up a plant stand at the dollar store, a rope, and also a glue gun. So these are the three materials that you need in order to make this project. It's a very easy project and it's fun to do as well. So I figure out I want to do a plant stand to put the plants on the top that I just repotted. So here it is. All you have to do is to cover the legs with the rope that you have using a glue gun. And then after you finish the four legs, you make sure you have to put some felt on the top so it's not going to scratch your floor, especially if you have a hardwood floor. So I pick up these little fabrics that I have, a leftover from my Christmas. So I just cut it off and then I'm just gonna glue it with a glue gun as well. And then I just gonna put the another rope on the top to make a little design so it's look very neat and nice. So I really love how it came out. So it's a nice project. So here it is. So I finished the project and it looks so cute. So now I'm gonna put the plants. As you can see, it's very inexpensive. I think the cost of this project is less than $8 and it looks so cute. I really love it. It's perfect on my little planters, which is the fig leaf plant that I have indoor. So I love it. So you can try to do this kind of project as well. Okay, next we're gonna do another project which is also a plant stand for outdoors. So I'm using a tomato cage. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the top of the tomato cage, which is the spike on the top, so I can just cover it with a rope. So I did make two of these tomato cage, so I will have the higher plant stand and the lower plant stand. So the first one, as you can see, will be the higher one. So I finished that, so I cover it with a rope, and so this is done already. So we're doing the second one. The second one is the lower plant stand. So I cut it in the center. So the tomato cage, I cut the tomato cage into center. So I'll make it a lower one. So I cover it as well with a rope. So you can see that. It's pretty nice. So these will be used on my bunkie, because on the front of my bunkie I used to put plants in there, but my plant stand's already a rotten wood, so I'm just gonna throw away and use this. So this is how it's gonna look like. So once you put the plant, but this is not the kind of plant I'm gonna use because it's gonna be like those that has on annuals. So that's the higher one and this is the lower plant stand. So it's really nice. I really like it, and it's very inexpensive as well. So it's just an outdoor plant stand. So I'm happy with how it looked like. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you like this video, and bye for now. Take care, everyone. Bye.